Hey mallet percussionists, thanks for tuning in for an ensemble music review video. Today we're going to work on the song Kingsport Overture by Mr. John Edmondson. This piece is in 4/4 time with B flats, E flats, and A flats. So make sure that you're playing your B flats, E flats, and A flats. The opening tempo for this song is 90 beats per minute. Let's jump right in and get started by playing the first two measures. It's B and G for our notes. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready and go. Good. Now let's continue and start at measure number 3. We'll go from measure number 3 to measure 11. 1, 2, measure number 3, go. Great. If you need to break this down into smaller chunks, please do. Use a metronome and really try to break it down into small sections that you can make progress with. Now, let's play from the beginning to measure number 11. And 1, 2, beginning and go. Two, 3, 4. At measure number 11, we've got 3 measures rest in 4/4 time, so count in groups of 4. Then we continue with that 8th note pattern for one more measure before moving on to some newer material. Remember, B flats and E flats. Let's start in measure 14 with the C-A natural combination, and let's try playing up to measure 21. And 1, 2, 8th notes go. Good. There's a little bit of a scale pattern in measure 15. Okay, up the 5 notes of the B flat scale right there before doing E flat, B flat, E flat. Let's try that whole section again. Measure number 14 to 21. And 1 and 2 and ready, set, go. Next up is measure 21 to the andante. Again, like the beginning, it has some 8th note and quarter note patterns. 1, 2, watch your flats, 21. In the next section, it's marked andante and is in the 3/4 time signature. 3/4 means we count in groups of 3. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Also, the tempo changes a bit and gets slower to 80 beats per minute. Let's see if we can do these scale passages from the measure marked andante to measure 31. Remember B flats and E flats. 1, 2, 3, andante, ready, go. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now I missed my E flat in that section, so I'm going to go back and do it again. Andante. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, and play. To E flat. At measure 31, we have 8 measures rest in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, all the way up until 8, 2, 3. And then measure 39 begins. Let's play measure 39 to measure 43. 1, 2, 3, 39, go. 2, 3. 2, 3. If you recognize that as the same pattern at the beginning of Andante, you're right. It's the same pattern of notes. At 43, some different patterns happen. Let's play from 43 for 6 measures. B flat, A, G, D. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 43, go. And finally, the last 2 lines of the song, from 51 to the end, very similar to the beginning, and it's back in 4/4 time. The metronome, however, makes it a little bit faster, 100 beats per minute. Let's see if we can do the last 2 lines. 51 to the end. And 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 51. Let's try it one more time for good measure. 1, 2, 51, ready, play. And there you have it, Kingsport Overture for the mallet percussion. Today I played it on xylophone, but this piece could easily be played on the bells as well. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.